Hello everyone! Welcome to the WARC Kyrgyz tutorials. We continue to explore interesting topics in the Kyrgyz language. In this video we will talk about the present tense or uchurchak. Let's start. In Kyrgyz language, the present tense is divided into two categories: the simple present, junukoy uchurchak, and the present continuous, tatal uchurchak. As we discussed in an earlier episode, the simple present tense, junukoy uchurchak, is used to describe someone's actions not at the present moment but in general, and to talk about fixed habits or routines just like the present simple in English. For example, men күндө китеп окуйм. I read every day. Ал комуз чертет. He plays комуз. Биз Бишкекте иштейбиз. We work in Bishkek. By contrast, the present continuous is used to express an activity occurring at the moment of speaking. The activity may have started in the past, is continuing and will finish at some point in time. Now, let's change the sentences from above to the present compound tense. Мен китеп окуп жатам. I am reading. Ал комуз чертип жатат. He is playing комуз. Биз Бишкекте иштеп жатабыз. We are working in Bishkek. Just like in English, the present continuous is a compound tense, meaning that it's created by combining multiple words. As you can see, to create positive sentences in the present continuous, we first add a special ending to the main verb, up if it ends with a consonant, and p if it ends with a vowel. Those endings are the equivalent of the English ending ing. Then we add the helping verb jat or ju. Let's look at the chart of the positive form of the present continuous tense for all pronouns. Now that we have seen the pattern, let's try applying it to make some simple sentences. Мен ойноп жатам. Мен ойноп жүрөм. I am playing. Сен уктап жатасың. Сен уктап жүрөсүң. You are sleeping. Singular, informal. Siz içip жатасыз. Siz içip жүрөсүз. You are drinking. Singular, formal. Ал көрсөтүп жатат. Ал көрсөтүп жүрөт. He, she or it is showing. Биз сүйлөп жатабыз. Биз сүйлөп жүрөбүз. We are speaking. Силер жазып жатасыңар. Силер жазып жүрөсүңөр. You are writing. Plural, informal. Сиздер бийлеп жатасыздар. Сиздер бийлеп жүрөсүздөр. You are dancing. Plural, formal. Алар ойноп жатышат. Алар ойноп жүрүшөт. They are playing. To create negative sentence in the present continuous, we add the ending ған if the main verb ends with the consonant and қан if the main verb ends with a vowel. Remember, the vowel is whose endings can change according to the law of harmony. In addition, we add the word жоқ, which means not. Let's take a look at some examples. Мен ойногон жокмун. I am not playing. Сен уккан жоксуң. You are not listening. Ал ичкен жок. He is not drinking. To create the question form in the present continuous, we follow the structure for the positive form but add the question ending b at the end of the sentence. Let's see the chart of question form in the present continuous with all pronouns. Мен ойноп жатамбы? Мен ойноп жүрөмбү? Am I playing? Сен уктап жатасыңбы? Сен уктап жүрөсүңбү? Are you sleeping? Singular, informal. Сиз ичип жатасызбы? Сиз ичип жүрөсүзбү? Are you drinking? Singular, formal. Ал көрсөтүп жатабы? Ал көрсөтүп жүрөбү? Is he, she or it showing? Биз сүйлөп жатабызбы? Биз сүйлөп жүрөбүзбү? Are we speaking? Силер жазып жатасыңарбы? Силер жазып жүрөсүңөрбү? Are you writing? Plural, informal. Сиздер бийлеп жатасыздарбы? Сиздер бийлеп жүрөсүздөрбү? Are you dancing? Plural, formal. Алар ойноп жатышабы? Alar oynop жүрүшөбү? Are they playing? Lastly, let's learn some words and phrases that go with the present continuous tense. Азыр, now. Dal азыр, right now. Учурда, currently. Ушул саатта, at this time. Ушул мезгилде, at the moment. Today we talk about the present tense. Now you are able to describe actions in the present tense. In the next video we will continue exploring other interesting topics in the Kyrgyz language. So please subscribe to our channel, like and share with friends. Görüşкөнчө.